Good morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed about the discussed up to question number 10, and today we will start from question number 11. So, what is question number 11 first? Try to read that. On a square handkerchief, 9 circular designs of each radius 7 centimeters are made. So, find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. So, there is the square handkerchief like this. So, how many designs are there like this? So, there are total 9 designs. There will be 9 designs, something like this. So that is inside only, not outside. So each radius of the circle is what they have given it as 7 centimeter, and each radius is 7 centimeter. So by this, whether they have given the length of the side, no. So with the help of this I can find the length of the side also, nothing to worry about that. So here we need to find what we need to find remaining portion. So this portion, this gaps is there, no? This gaps, how much is there other than circular region in the square, we have to find. So first look at this carefully, all of you. So this will be 14. So actually this will touch each other, every circle will. This is 14, this is also going to be 14. So here the length of the side will be total 14 3s are 42 centimeters. So in the same way here the radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. What we have to do is to get this region from the square, we need to eliminate all the circle. First, the area of each circle. So area of each circle is what? Pi r square. So area of the each circle is pi r square means, so how can I write 22 by 7 into radius is 7, 7 into 7, 7 will be cancelled, 2 7 the 14, 2 7 the 14, 1 left 15, 154 centimeters square per what? Area of one circle. So total how many circles? 7 circles. 7 circle area is equal to 7 into 154. So 7 into 154 is what? How can I write? This will be not 7 here. 9 circles. So this will be 9 4 the 36, 9 5 the 45, 8 4. 9 1 the 9, 9 plus 4 13, 1386. Next one is going to be, we have to calculate the area of the square. Area of square. So is, what is the principle? Side square. So what is the length of the side here? 42. So 42 square. 42 square is 40 square is 1600 plus 2 square is 4, 1604 plus 40 to the 80, 80 to the 160, 80, 164 plus 1600, 1764. So I have written as 40 plus 2 whole square, like that I calculated. A plus b whole square from a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now area of, what is that? What they asked there? Area of remaining portion. So area of remaining portion is equal to total square area minus 9 circles area. So what is the total area of the square here? 1764 minus, what is the area of the 7 circles here? 1386. So 14 minus 6 is what? 8. Next one is going to be 16. 15 minus 8 is 7. Next how much we left? 6 minus 3 is 3. Minus 1 is 378 centimeters square. Once again I am telling, we need to take the total circle, the total square, and from that these circles are there, no? The circles area we have to eliminate. How we can do? First we have to take the area of the square. So how can we calculate the length of the square? Side of the square, 7 7 7 7 7 7. Total will be 42. Again, what is this gaps region, how you will get? So the area of the remaining portion, the total area of the square minus 9 circles area, if you eliminate, you will get the area of this what? Unshaded region. So now let us go for the next question. So what is the next question? 1 minute. Yes. So next question will be, I'll read the question. Next question. So here in figure OACB is a quadrant of the circle with the center O and the radius 3.5. If OD is equal to 2 centimeters, find the area of the quadrant OACB and shaded region. So here, question number 12. So what they have given, OACB is a quadrant of the circle. They have given like this. So this is a quadrant of the circle they were telling. OACB is a quadrant of the circle, and radius is 3.5. Actually this is a radius 3.5, and they have drawn OD something like this. So here to here the length they have given as OD is 2 centimeters, this gap is 2 centimeters, this will be 1.5, and this radius is 3.5 they have given. Why this radius and this radius will be same? That is the reason. If it is 3.5, it will this is 1.5. Actually there is no need of to find that one. Look at here, this is shaded portion. So to find this area, this is a quadrant, so this is 90 degrees. Obviously quadrant means 90 90 90 90. So from this sector we need to eliminate this triangle area. Obviously this triangle is a right angle triangle. So how can you calculate the area of the sector? Area of sector is equal to x by 360 into pi r square. This total area I am calculating. X by 360 means what? 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius is 3.5 into 3.5. Now it can be taken as, so x by 360 means 1 by 4, 90 1 the 94 the, next one 7 1 the 7, 0.5 the, so it will be 22 into 3.5 by 2 into 4. So 0.5 I have taken as 1 by 2. Still how can I write this one? This will be any cancellation, 2 1 the 2 11 the, it will be how can I write 35 by, let us take it as 35 by 10 into 4 better. So it can be given as 5 7 the 5 2 the 11 7 the 77 2 4 the 8 77 by 8 centimeter square. Next what we have to calculate? Total sector area we got. From that this we have to cut so that you will get the shaded portion. Now area of this triangle, area of the triangle OBD is equal to half into base into height. Half into, what is the base here? 3.5. What is the height here? 2. This will be what? 3.5. So 3.5 means, still we can simplify it as 35 by 10, 5 7 the 5 2 the. So you will get it as 7 by 2. Now area of shaded portion is equal to sector area minus triangle area. Sector area is what? 77 by 8 minus 7 by 2. 77 by 8. So 8 is the LCM. So we need to multiply by 4. 4 7 the 28. Shall we go for next page? Or we can do here only. This will be how much you will get? 49 by 8 centimeters square. This is the area of the what? Shaded portion. Nothing. From this total we need to cut or we need to eliminate this triangle area. Total area is what? Sector. Sector area is what? X by 360 into pi r square. From that what we have to eliminate? Area of this circle.